Hello Skin Game, this is Tammy Hang and video 6 of my age management. The key hydrating ingredient, hyaluronic acid, powerful humectant that extract and hold moisture in the skin. Sodium hyaluronate, smaller molecule, form a hyaluronic acid for deeper penetration. Glycerin, natural humectant that draw water into the skin and support barrier health. Jojoba Almond Oil, soften the skin and help prevent moisture loss. Royal jelly powder, rich in amino acid, B, vitamins, antioxidants, support skin nourishment. Anti-inflammatory and anti-aging key ingredients. Centella Asiatica, calm inflammation, support healing, strengthen the skin barrier. And peptides. Synthetic human peptides include polypeptides 1, 3, 8, 10, 11, and 62. Stimulate fibroblasts, increase collagen, elastin, support the skin repair, and anti-aging. Polypeptides 1 and 2 promote cell renewal and skin regeneration. Octapeptides 17 amides enhance penetration, improve skin stability, repair, botanical anti-inflammatories, peony stem cells, skin regenerations and protections. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, ginger extract, reduce the inflammations, boost the immunity. The A ingredients, plankton extract, protect the skin from pollutants and toxins, provide UV defense, antibacterial, and smooth benefit. Coccus lysate support the DNA repairs, help repair the UV damage, reduce visible sign of aging.